Hey, I'm Johnny from Profile Painters and welcome to Paint Like a Pro. Today I'm going to show you how to paint an exterior door. First up, you need to establish what kind of paint you have on the door. Check to see if it's enamel or water-based enamel by rubbing methylated spirits on it. If it's water-based enamel, it will come off onto the cloth just like this one. Remove all the hardware from the door and mask out anything you don't want to get paint on. Then give it a light sand, by hand is fine. All you're doing is taking the glossy sheen off the paintwork. Remember to fill any defects, then apply one coat of Resene Quick Dry primer. If you're going for a darker colour, use Resene Cool Colour, which will reflect the heat and help protect the paint. It will need 2 coats of water-based enamel. Start by cutting in the glass, then paint the panels. Paint the horizontal strips first, followed by the vertical, and make sure the brush strokes match the timber joinery. Don't forget the doorstep, and remember, have fun.